Wrong expectation from investors will make you a Devdas or even a Devdasi. Wrong expectation from anyone will get you wrong results. So having right expectations is very important. This is Arvind Jain, a lawyer turned property and cashing expert. I help crorepati's multiply their land incomes by 10x. I'll give you a simple story to explain this. This is something which happened in London on a chill Friday evening when people are just about to go on a holiday. A jeweler was sitting very royally in his shop, and an old man and a beautiful, dashing, ravishly beautiful young girl entered his shop. He showed them various pieces of jewelry. The young girl selected some expensive pieces of jewelry. The old man who had come with her was a very rich man, and love was in the air. It is like they were just gelling into each other or just fusing into each other, the old man and this ravishingly young girl. So finally, this rich old man told to the jeweler, he handed him over a check and he says, what all pieces of jewelry this girl has selected, just pack it and keep it there and keep them aside. I'm giving you my check. After the check encashes, I'll come and collect it. So that was on a Friday evening, and the old man and this girl went away. A few days later, fast forward, a few days later, this jeweler caught this old man somewhere near the airport. He ran to him and he told him, those expensive pieces of jewelry you selected and your check has just bounced. The old rich man just laughed and said, anyway, the check bounced, but after that, the whole Saturday, Sunday was a lot of bouncing with that girl. So you can understand the remaining part of it. Now coming to having wrong expectations from investors. We generally think that investors have a lot of money and no brains. Most people think that investors have a lot of money and no brains. But we should always remember that investors have a lot of money, a lot of contacts, a lot of sources of information. They are linked to many other investors from where they can verify things. If a person who's investing in IT companies, he will have friends as investors who are investing in, say, the real estate, who are investing in the, say, the metals market, or who are investing in the stock market. They are very well connected and they come to know facts very fast. So if you fool around with an investor and you show them a wrong picture of certain things, it is you who's going on a ride. It is not the investor's fault. You have to go with practical information, with practical targets, with feasible things to an investor. Or somewhere you have to show a commitment to attract an investment. Now, this silly girl, what she had done was she thought that this rich investor had no access to sex and he didn't know anything about the sex. And particularly, this investor would have traveled all around the world. He would have known all the cheap sources of sex. And this ravishingly beautiful girl went and offered her sex without knowing that this guy would have been an expert in many things. So going to an investor with a right target, with the right procedure, with the right way to fulfill that target, asking the right amount of money, and promising him a right return, promising him an attractive return is very important. If you go with unauthentic proposal to investors, maybe an investor will not tell you on the face, but an investor knows how to use you for wasting his time. So we should not blame the investors. And most of the people in this situation, they will say that what an innocent girl she was. She thought something great about that investor and how he turned out to be. Such people will not say the fun they had with the investor, the moments which they enjoyed with the investor, the way they freaked out with the investor. They never mention that. They only say how the investor exploited them. Before I sign off, I would like to show you 7 things about my digital ecosystem. If you want to learn more about real estate and turning money out of real estate, subscribe to this channel, Property Ace Club. You will get to see a lot of videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Searching for properties is a pain and it's a very boring experience to go out looking for great properties. Searching for great properties and great bargains can become interesting and fun if you join the Property Ace Club. I have provided the link below. And if you want to invest a lot of money in real estate to make a rock solid business in real estate that gives you a lot of returns, attend my webinar. I'll be waiting for you. I have provided the links below. And if you want to learn something about investment and wealth and and you want to learn some practical aspects about investment and wealth, I have some free courses. I have provided the links below. Go ahead and complete them. If you like to read a lot about investments and wealth and like to learn some practical aspects, I have written a few books. I have provided the links below. Just go ahead and download them and complete reading them. Mm, and I have provided a feedback form if you want me to make more videos on certain topics on wealth, investments, and becoming rich. Just fill up the just fill up the feedback form and let me know. If you want to collaborate with me on some great business ideas, I would be happy to think about it. I have provided a form below. Just go ahead and fill it. Continue to watch my videos, share a lot of my videos with your friends, so that a lot of people can earn tons of money from properties and build their wealth in a faster way, in a better way, and enjoy life with that wealth. Have a great day. Take care. See you in some other video. I love this. Bye.